अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, उम्मीद है आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का सेशन है मैक्सिमाइज योर मेंटल पावर and it's simply something that is the need of time today, something that we genuinely need to polish, we genuinely need to practice in order to see through these tough times. इस पूरे टॉपिक को मल्टीपल हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया गया है जो कि आप लोगों को at various stages in a few days आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके definitely दे दिया जाएगा. I'm really excited about this. Let's see how all this unfolds. A small introduction about myself. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद हाजिक पटेल है. मैं पिछले 13 साल से दर्स और तदरीस के शोबे से वाबस्ता हूँ. And Rise at 45 एक छोटा सा नोशन जो कि मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, and that is simple. This concept actually stems from the concept of projectile, which is 45 डिग्री पे आपको मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस कवर्ड मिलता है. एक एवरेज सादा सी ट्रेजेक्ट्री मिलती है, बट आपको मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस आप कवर कर पाते हैं. Hence, we need to live in a very simplistic manner, make subtle changes to our lives, and eventually experience an incredible rise in our lives so that we can actually add value and add meaning, and most importantly, add significance to what is our own life. Hence, the live simply, rise incredibly, and exist significantly. आज पहला पार्ट है of this maximize your mental power. सबसे पहले तो I've drawn a parallel between maximize your mental power and meeting your maximum potential. I believe these two are the same, and surprisingly, these coincidentally, I should say, that they possess the same acronym. So when you maximize your mental power here, you tend to meet your maximum potential, something that you through which you define yourself. A fact check. 80-20 रूल के बारे में आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. बहुत सारे लोग इसको 80-20 रूल के बारे में जानते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग इसे पैरेटो प्रिंसिपल के नाम से जानते हैं. What is Pareto principle or what is the 80-20 rule? It's very simple. If you observe around yourself, you'll see that 80% of the wealth lies with 20% of the people. 80% of everything good is earned by 20% of the population. This is something that you see in terms of wealth. जो rich हैं वो handful होते हैं, जो poor हैं वो ज़्यादा हैं. So that's the 20% who are more privileged, who have access to better facilities and all. Moving on, यही चीज़ आपको grading में भी नजर आएगी कि जी 20% of the class होता है जो कि 80% and above score करता है, बाकी सब इतना high score नहीं कर रहे होते. How is all this connected? हम जो भी कुछ देखते हैं is an effect of causes. हम जितनी efforts कर रहे होते हैं उसके हिसाब से हमारा effect program हो रहा होता है, effect devise हो रहा होता है. So ये cause and effect का relationship आपने cause and effect के context में जरूर समझा हुआ होगा. Let's understand it in the reverse order. What we see usually in life is the effect. हम देखते हैं कि जी there are people who are really wise, there are people who really have a lot of knowledge, there are people who are really rich, there are people who are really smart, there are people who are really fit. So what we see apparently is the effect, something that we get inspiration from, and we really like to adopt that for ourselves. What we do not focus is on the causes. What we do not focus is on the struggles that person might have gone through. The effect of this particular session would have definitely be maximize your mental power. We wish to end up maximizing our mental power. What's the cause? How to go about it is you ask yourself a lot of questions. And when you ask yourself a lot of questions, you and anyone else who's around you, who associates with you, tends to think. This brings me to my most frequently used quote, which is, your thoughts become your words become your actions, and your actions become your destiny. Altered है थोड़ा सा. कहने का मकसद ये, मैं जैसा सोचता हूँ वैसा कहता हूँ, जैसा कहता हूँ वैसा करता हूँ, जैसा करता हूँ वैसा मेरे साथ होता है. तो we need to think. अगर हमें कुछ different achieve करना है तो हमें कुछ differently सोचना पड़ेगा. The clue or the onus lies in your thoughts. और जब भी हम थॉट की बात करते हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स रेने डेकार्ट का जिक्र या उनका ख्याल हमारे जहन में जरूर आता है. Who said, I think, therefore I am. which is cogito ergo sum. कोई बात नहीं, ignore that. I think therefore I am. So when I think, I actually create my own existence. इसी चीज को जहन में रखते हुए हमारा अपने आप से सवाल क्या है? Do I really want to have a larger share in life? Do I really want to be part of the 20% who owns or who has access to the 80% of facilities or the resources that are there? इसका बहुत सादा सा जवाब है, you need to stay tuned for the second part to be aired. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा बेइंतहा. अल्लाह हाफिज.